again, Kip. Episode 58, The Perfect Acorn. What a great day, said Kip. The sun is bright, and there are no clouds. Boom! A big acorn landed next to Kip. The acorn was round and shiny. Kip picked up the acorn and smiled. "This acorn is perfect," he said. "What a great day!" Kip walked back toward his tree. That's a nice acorn, said Squirrel. "Thanks," said Kip. "Pretty acorn," said Mouse. "Thanks," said Kip. "I'm having a great day." Kip walked across the bike path. "What a great day," said Kip. "The sun is bright, and there are no clouds. And I found the best oaf." Kip tripped over a stick. He dropped the acorn. The acorn rolled away. "Oh no!" cried Kip. Kip dived for the acorn, but he was too slow. The acorn was gone.